Hey lovelies, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this Christmassy house using Dollar Tree items. We are starting out by using these wooden houses from Dollar Tree. And then we're going to be using some popsicle sticks and cutting them out so we can make the sides for the house. You'll see here I will be cutting out several pieces and then I'm going to put a popsicle stick on top of it to glue it together. Here you see 3 pieces, but you actually need 4 instead of 3. And I did go back and added the extra piece so that it could fit the sides perfectly. If it's your first time here, well, welcome to the channel. Please consider subscribing and don't forget to click on your bell notification so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. And give me a thumbs up if you enjoy the video. And all my returning subscribers, thank you always for watching my videos. I am hot gluing the sides together so we can build a house. I'm going to be using Dollar Tree foam board and I'm just taking the measurements of each side so I could cut it proper to size. Hey guys, let me know what your plans are for the holidays. On this channel, I plan to do several videos on Christmas DIYs. So be sure to stay tuned and subscribe so that you don't miss any of those videos. And if you have any ideas of any DIYs that you would like me to do, mention it in the comments down below. Once you finish putting the foam boards in, you just have to hot glue it to keep it in place. Now we're going to be using popsicle sticks. These are actually from Walmart, but you can use the Dollar Tree ones so we can build our roof. And now all you have to do is hot glue those popsicle sticks down. And now we're going to be making a little stand for the house to sit on. And I'm going to line up about 7 popsicle sticks. And I'm going to use about 4 more popsicle sticks to keep it in place with hot glue. I would like to say a warm thank you to my subscribers for helping me reach these milestones. I love making videos, I love to make DIYs, and I truly appreciate that I have an audience that's here for me and to watch my videos. So thank you so much for that. And now I'm gonna re-glue this down. I had a temp earlier, but it didn't stick very well, so this will be my second attempt. Now we're cutting more of our popsicle sticks so we can make the shingles for the rooftop. Now we're done completing our house. It's time to paint. So I'll be starting out with Waverly chalk paint in white. After painting the house white, I did go ahead and paint the rooftop the gray color by Waverly and did some dry brushing of white on top. Next, I'm painting the window frames this beautiful gold color, and the door I'll be painting the same beautiful gold color too. Now I'll be using this glitter paint color inside the windows to make it shiny and glittery, if that's a word. Okay guys, on top of the white Waverly paint, I'm going to be adding this pearl color. It's like an off-white shimmer to the body of the house to give it that extra glow. right guys, it's time to let it snow. So we're adding some Mod Podge, and then I'm gonna be using Dollar Tree fake snow and applying it to the front of the house and also on the rooftop. After applying the snowflakes, I did go ahead and use the Mod Podge sealer spray to make sure everything stays in place. Wow guys, I think it turned out great. I did go ahead and use Dollar Tree mini trees and put it on the side of the house, and Dollar Tree star sticker and put it on top. Well, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget, when I reach 100 subscribers, I'm having my giveaway. Thank you for watching.